Okay, so the cycle has finished and I am seriously impressed. These are so much cleaner than they would be right out of my dishwasher. Usually there's like a filminess left, but this looks crystal clear. Hello, I am Esperanza and I live in the Phoenix Metro with my husband Andrew, our toddler Sage, and our dog. Sage just turned 2 in January and we are planning on trying for baby number 2 this year. When Sage was a newborn, I hand washed bottles and parts nonstop, and honestly it was exhausting. So now that we're planning for baby number 2, I'm looking for smart ways to save time and stress. That's why I'm really excited to use the Momcozy DeepClean Bottle Washer for our next baby. It's also called the D8, which stands for DeepClean 8 bottles, because it can wash up to 8 bottles in one cycle along with all of the accessories, pump parts, and more. I love that it's not just a bottle washer, it's made to also clean all of the tiny parts that are honestly the hardest to clean. This is the kind of product that will make motherhood feel so much more manageable. It uses a 4-layer spray system with 44 nozzles to reach every corner inside and out. So I have 2 bottles here with formula in them. So you want to make sure that you remove all of the excess milk from the bottles before placing them in the washer. So I'm just going to dump these out and we'll place the tops on the top rack. So the caps and the lids on the top rack. We'll place the main body of the bottles on the bottom rack. So once everything is on the racks, we'll place 1 detergent tablet into the washer and then put the lid on. Tube wash flushes tubes and small parts that are impossible to clean by hand, like pump tubes, straw bottles, and valves. Pump parts are tricky because they have curves and blind spots, but Pump 360 rotates and cleans those surfaces, which is something most washers don't do. So the cycle has finished and I am seriously impressed. These are so much cleaner than they would be right out of my dishwasher. Usually there's like a filminess left, but this looks crystal clear. And here is one of the bottles, which also looks so clean as well. This is just like impossible to achieve with a dishwasher. Another feature I love is the self-cleaning mode. It's an industry first, high temperature self-cleaning system. There's a self-cleaning button, but when activating that function, you want to make sure that you are using their descaling tablets. The self-cleaning mode is actually amazing because as a mom, the less chores that I have to do so that I can spend more time with my family, the better. The glide wheel feature makes it easy to move, which I can see being really helpful when I'm holding a baby and chasing a toddler around. I want to quickly go over some pros and cons. So for the pros, it cleans 8 bottles in one cycle, which is amazing and such a time saver. The tube wash and Pump 360 features are amazing for hard to clean parts. The self-cleaning feature reduces extra chores, and it's compact and easy to move thanks to glide wheel. As far as cons go, I would say the size is a little bit of a con because in a growing household, counter space gets very tight. And of course, it's a little bit of an investment. You still have to load it so it's not fully hands off, and you still have to stay on top of maintenance. I don't have a second baby yet, and Sage is no longer breastfeeding or bottle feeding, so I'm reviewing this based on how it would fit into my life, and the features just make a lot of sense. Overall, I think the Momcozy DeepClean Bottle Washer, or the D8, is a smart investment if you're expecting or planning to have a baby. Speaking from experience, it's almost impossible to get the residue out of these bottles that is left over from breast milk and formula. It's built to handle all of that deep cleaning, and it's designed to save you time. Check out the DeepClean Bottle Washer and use my promo code in the description to save on your order. Thank you to Momcozy for sponsoring this video, and be sure to check back because I will be sharing more videos like this as we go along our journey of trying for baby number 2. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!